Don't download Navexa app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the Navexa app, stop for a second. Most people get this wrong. Many assume it's just another stock trading app, but the surprising truth is that Navexa is primarily a portfolio tracking and investment analytics platform, not a brokerage. Navexa helps investors track multiple portfolios across different brokers in one place. You can import your holdings, calculate portfolio performance, and analyze metrics like SEER, dividends, and capital gains. For example, if you have accounts with multiple brokers or hold international stocks, Navexa simplifies tracking all your investments in one dashboard. This can save hours of manual calculations. However, Navexa doesn't allow you to buy or sell stocks directly. Many beginners download the app expecting a full trading platform, only to realize they still need to use their brokerage accounts for actual trades. Another consideration is cost. Navexa offers a free tier with basic tracking, but advanced features like live price updates, performance charts, and detailed reporting require a subscription starting at around per month. For casual investors, this might feel expensive, especially if you already receive performance reports from your broker. Another limitation is learning curve. Navexa provides powerful analytics, but beginners may find it overwhelming. Understanding metrics like time-weighted returns, SEER, or dividend yield is crucial to make sense of the insights. Without this knowledge, the data can be confusing rather than helpful. In conclusion, don't download Navexa app if you're looking to trade stocks directly or want a simple, beginner-friendly app. It's perfect for investors who already have brokerage accounts, want to track multiple portfolios, and appreciate advanced performance analytics. Knowing its limitations and subscription costs upfront will help you get the most value without frustration.